नमस्कार, मैं हूं नागराज कुलकर्णी। Welcome to Q for Quality channel. Today we will discuss about variation. Let's understand the definition. Difference among the individual output of the process is called as variation. As we know that we can't produce two parts in identical nature. There will be some difference, and that difference is called as variation. There are two types of variation. One is common cause of variation. Second one is special cause of variation. Let us understand the common cause of variation first. Cause of variation that are inherent or inbuilt in the process is called as common cause of variation. If your process is having common cause of variation, it means that your process is stable and under statistically control. Second one is special cause of variation. Cause of variation that arises because of special reasons is called as special cause of variation. For example, variation in form. If your process is having special cause, it means that your process is out of control and it is not stable process. Let us understand some key points of common cause of variation and special cause of variation. Common cause of variation can also be called as non-assignable cause, chance cause, or noise in the process. 85% of total variations are due to common cause of variation. Common cause of variation is inherent in the process and it is controlled by management. Output of the process is predictable and stable in nature. Special cause of variation, not usually present in nature, and output of the process is non-predictable. Special cause of variation can also be called as assignable cause. 15% of total variation is due to special cause of variation, and it is controlled by operator and supervisors who are working in line. Special cause of variations is visitor to the process. Let us understand some examples of common cause of variation and special cause of variation. Variation in humidity is one of the examples of the common cause of variation. Poor SOP and work instruction, poor light, more noise in the process, variation in temperature, QC error, variation in raw material, varying burnout, etc. These are the common cause of variation examples. Second one is special cause of variation. Some examples are like poor adjustment, operator falling asleep, faulty controller, machine malfunctioning, poor quality of material, operator absent, poorly trained operator, tool wear out, large change in raw material, instrument and equipment broken. These are some examples of the special cause of variation. Let us understand over adjustment and under adjustment. If your process is having common cause of variation, it means that your process is stable and you can do improvements. But operator is adjusting the process. It means he is changing some settings in the process. Then it will give more variation rather than giving the less variation. Is called as over adjustment. Let us understand. This is my upper control limit line. This is my lower control limit line. This is my central line. My process is stable. Stable means no point is crossing the upper control limit or lower control limit. This process is stable. This is stable process. If operator is changing anything in the process, this will give you more variation. Second one is under adjustment. If your process is having special cause of variation, but operator failed to respond, failed to take action against special cause, then it will produce additional process variation. It is called as under adjustment. Let's understand. This is my upper control limit line. This is my lower control limit line. And this is center line. Now you can see here, my point is crossing upper control limit line. You can see here that point number 1, this is second, this is third. these 3 points are crossing upper control limit line. If operator or a supervisor does not take any action on these points, this will leads to additional process variation. You have to take action on these points to bring the process under control or make it to stable. Presently, this process is not stable. You have to work on it. You have to bring the all points below the upper control limit. I hope you understand. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Q for Quality and press bell icon for getting notifications for new videos. Thank you very much.